Is now a good time to divide my hostas? And this is Sam from Memphis. What do you think?
I
You're
think
thinking,
so,
okay.
because hostas are so tough, they don't mind really. I think you could probably divide a hosta any time of year.
Anytime, yeah.
And they could get their roots established well through the winter months.
Okay.
And you don't mind damaging the foliage a little bit right now, so they ragged them up. You know, you don't want to do that in the spring, and as the new growth is coming up. So, what is the best time? We got a great hosta society here in Memphis. Do they know about that? What would y'all think about timing?
I think timing is fall would be a good time as well. Again, you could probably do this anytime, but depending upon if you're looking at the foliage, you know this time the foliage will be coming up, especially the tender ones. I wouldn't cut them. I would actually pull them apart. If you actually have a larger clump, try and pull them apart so you don't have as much damage with some of the actual plantlets. Some people will actually just take a shovel and cut them and divide them and everything. I'm kind of a proponent of really pulling them apart, maybe.
That's a good idea. Pop up the whole clump and then
Pop up the whole clump and then pull it apart.
Soil off.
Yeah. Some folks will go as far as washing the whole root system. You don't have to do that, but if it's nice and moist, then you should be able to pull that apart.
Right.
I've always heard that hostas really enjoy more cold than we're able to provide.
Really?
Sometimes people say they actually perform better in containers because the roots get colder through the winter months.
Oh, wow.
Hosta people told me that.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
Start putting those more in containers and see how they perform.
Keep them away from the voles too.
Yeah, that's right.
You're right.
So we're saying that any time for the most part?
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've dug
Some
up
probably
hosta and
prefer
left them in a
spring.
wheelbarrow all summer and then planted them, you know. And
They're still good?
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.